In today's video, I show you how to earn $2,198 just by listening to music, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online. How to do it? We're about to find out. This is how to earn $4.50 per song by listening to music. Welcome to a brand new video of Rachel's Money Guide. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon. Now let's get started. Download the SoundCloud app to your phone first. Once you have downloaded SoundCloud into your smartphone, you're now able to discover and explore various music to listen to. Inside the app, what I usually do is I scroll down below and I click on this button right here, which is Explore Trending Playlists. From there, we will be taken to this page. As you can see, this is where you can find all the trending music classified into different categories. The next thing you do is click on this play button right here to start listening to this music. Actually, there is a playlist associated with this song. As you can see, there are 50 tracks in this playlist, and you can listen to all of this music on your smartphone or computer. Now that you understand how you can find music on SoundCloud, I want to introduce you to azlyrics.com, where you can look for different music lyrics. There's a lot of music available on this platform. Say for example, if I want to look for the lyrics of the song by Charlie Puth, Light Switch, I just have to enter the artist's name or song title right here and select the song from this drop-down results. And from there, I'm going to be taken to this page where I can just listen to the music. I want you to take careful note of this next part so that you don't make any mistakes. As you can see here, this is the name of the song and these are the entire lyrics of it. This is an incredible opportunity for you to actually listen to the music and transcribe the lyrics. So for a very simple song like this, usually ranging from 2 to 4 minutes long, you can easily make some dollars over and over again simply by transcribing. Now take a look at this. For every single audio minute, you will get paid $1.50 just by listening to music and transcribing it into lyrics. The standard length for a typical song is about 3 minutes. So based on these earnings, you can earn $4.50 per song. So the next thing that I want you to do is head over to this next website, which is rev.com. On this website, you can find different job opportunities to transcribe a lot of music. There are different categories of jobs that you can do here, such as transcription, captions, and foreign subtitles. For example, once you listen to the music right here and you transcribe it into lyrics, you will get paid for every single minute of the audio you transcribe. Make sure you keep watching this video because I will be showing you several softwares which you can use for free that will do all the work for you. Now let us go back to rev.com. I want you to scroll down to the very bottom of this website and click on Freelancers under the About section. From there, you will be taken to this page where you can earn money online just by transcribing or captioning from home. The best part about this website is you can work as much or as little you want whenever you want. You also have the independence of selecting projects that actually interest you. You will also receive weekly payouts for all the work completed straight into your PayPal account. When you scroll down, you will see that there are basically 2 categories of jobs on this website: transcriptionist and captioner. I want you to select transcriptionist and click on Learn More. That will then take you to this page where you can read around the website for more information. For example, this is how you can sign up and get approved to start transcribing. Now I'm going to show you another website that you can use to transcribe so that you can maximize your earnings and earn double the money. Head over to gotranscript.com. Scroll to the very bottom of the page and click on Work. Basically, they pay competitive rates for online transcription jobs. As you can see here, for every single audio or video minute, you get paid 60 cents. This means that for a typical 3-minute song, you can earn $1.80 for listening and transcribing it. As you can see here, there are quite a number of benefits that come with working with gotranscript.com. So if you want to sign up for a free account and start making money, all you have to do is just click on this Apply Now button right here. And from there, you will be taken to this page where you can create your free account. A bonus tip that I want to share with you is that you should sign up on multiple platforms, such as gotranscript.com and rev.com. In that way, you can get more job opportunities worldwide. Now that you have signed up on both websites and are ready to make money transcribing music into lyrics, here is the next step. I want you to head over to this website, otranscribe.com. This is a free web app that will make the transcription job very simple. Now I want you to click on this blue button right here so you can start transcribing. All you need is a link or the downloaded music file to start. For example, if you go to soundcloud.com to get music to transcribe, you should be able to find this Share button. When you click on this button, it's going to open up this box where you can actually find a link to this particular music track. This here is the entire share link of the music track. Just copy this link right here and download the music file. The next step is simple. Just click on this button right here to upload the music file that you have just downloaded. And from there, this free tool will help you automatically transcribe the entire soundtrack. But sometimes it will have a little bit of grammatical errors that you have to correct manually. When you go to rev.com, as you can see here, a typical transcription job will pay you $1.50 per minute. But when you look at foreign subtitles, they pay from $3 up to $7 per minute. These are much higher earnings, so let me show you what you can do. Let us go back to SoundCloud.com. You can find here different kinds of music in foreign languages that are not in English. The reason why they are paying you a much higher rate is that it's a bit challenging to transcribe music from different foreign languages into English. This brings us to the next website, DeepL.com, which is a free online translator. You can use this tool to translate music from foreign languages into English. Say, for example, Portuguese music into English. It also works the other way around, that is, translating English music into any language that you want, like French, German, Spanish, or any other language. Now, if you want to make even more money, then you need to watch this video right here for you to discover the best 3 apps that pay you real money, which are some of the best ways to make money online.